Hello. Thank you
Hello.
so much, Ainhoa. The course, I did your first free sight course in English and went on to do the clear sight method. And particularly the sunning and palming were just so powerful because I completely got rid of my lack of ability to see at night. I have good night vision now and love walking around in the dark. My eyes used to be very sensitive to light. Now I actually love to just lay on the grass, relaxing, doing palming, doing sunning, and just being in the moment, looking up at the sky and the clouds. My sight has improved a lot in many other ways as well. Colours, depth. I'm much more aware of my peripheral. It's just been a fantastic course. And just a little bit of background, my symptoms of myopia and astigmatism started when I was 11, 3 months after my father died. He had been sick for 7 years. So it's 45 years back. And the emotional level was very helpful to me, as well as learning to blink, just being aware of how I use my eyes. This is a course which is not just about sight. This is a course that has helped me with so many other things in my life, with relaxation, just a lot more awareness in a lot of other areas of life. So I highly, highly recommend the course. It has been completely life-changing. Thank you.